All right, in this video, I'm gonna be reviewing the week number 3 of John Crestani's Super Affiliate Marketing System, or what is called Super Affiliate System 2.0. Great training. This is the week number 3, which is my favorite week. So what I've been doing, I've been reviewing each week that I'm going through this course, and then also I'm reviewing my whole experience, and also once I'm done with the course, I'm gonna be reviewing my entire experience that how I feel like about the course, and once I've gone through the entire course. So far really good. You can watch all these videos, these reviews and everything right below this video. There's links for all these videos right below in the description, below this video, whatever you are watching this. And this week number 3 is my favorite so far. I'm almost done with week number 4 as well, but week number 3 is great week, because he goes into a lot of detail about copywriting, which is I believe is the most important skill to grow a business. He believes so too, especially when it comes to affiliate marketing, because we as affiliate marketers, all we have to do is influence people and convince people to take action and to take a look at these products, whatever we're recommending, right? Whatever we want, wherever we recommend them, they have to listen to us, and we have to convince them and to make them see that this is the right choice for them to take a look and to buy, so they can accomplish their dreams and their goals for whatever goal they have. So especially for affiliate marketing, these are job. Copywriting, that's what it does. Copywriting is about influencing people and making them see that what you have is good for them. So that's how you do it with copywriting. It's like selling with written words without talking. And then also copywriting, once you know how to do copywriting, you also know how to present in video, because it's almost the same thing, right? If you know how to influence people, like what's the emotional things that motivates people for these particular cases. If you know how to do it in writing, you know how to do it in video as well. So really powerful skill to have. And this is one of the best copywriting trainings I've gone through. Really nice. He goes into a lot of detail, and he also lets one of his students go through and train us. One of his best students, he trains us about copywriting, different things, different ingredients, different parts that we should be using for copywriting to motivate them to take action, basically to take action. So really nice. This is my favorite week so far, by far. As soon as I'm done with the week number 4, I will be reviewing that. Links on the description below. So yeah, affiliate marketing, if you're thinking about buying this course, the Super Affiliate System 2.0 by John Crestani, I recommend you to buy it. If you haven't watched the free training yet, there's a link also below this video. The description is full of links, man. You have so many, or girl, man or girl. You have so many options right below. You have access to anything you like, free training, the search page where you can just buy the product right away, and the reviews that I make about this video, about this training video. Very nice. I highly recommend you this training. Affiliate marketing is, I believe every business should be doing some sort of affiliate marketing business, some sort of affiliate marketing streams of income and stuff. So I have my iced coffee here outside in California, very nice. So highly recommend you to check it out and buy it. At least watch the free training, and you will learn a lot from John Crestani. He's one of the top producers in affiliate marketing. He will teach you really good stuff, even for free. So take a look at it right below this video. I highly recommend it to you. And then if you're interested in watching more reviews about this product, go ahead and then also subscribe, like this video, and click the button, the bell notification button, because I review more products. I review different products about e-commerce, marketing, local marketing, all this stuff. And then I also give tips and teach people about marketing in general, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, local marketing businesses, real estate marketing, because I do marketing for businesses as well, local businesses, especially for real estate, medical professionals, restaurants, all this stuff. So I'll be posting videos on a regular basis about this, and I'm really heavy focus on YouTube and affiliate marketing and growing my business with a whole total different new level. So I'm going to be uploading a lot of videos on a regular basis, almost on a daily basis. So keep an eye on this, subscribe to this channel, and keep coming back for more things and more videos and more tips to learn so you can take your business and your life to the next level. Thank you very much.